Welcome back, coders. Your clicker game is getting good. But what if we could earn points faster? That's where power-ups come in. We're going to create a special sprite that multiplies your score by 10 when you click it. This lesson introduces math operators and multiple sprites. 2 advanced concepts. Let's build it. First, we need a second character for our power-up. Look at the bottom right corner. You'll see your cat sprite with a small cat icon. Right next to it is a blue button with a cat face and a plus sign. That's Choose a Sprite. Click it. Scratch opens its sprite library with hundreds of characters. We want something that looks special and powerful. Type star in the search bar. See that glowing yellow star? Perfect. Click it to add it to your project. Now you have 2 sprites, your cat and the star. Notice something important. The star is now selected, highlighted with a blue border. This means any code we write next will belong to the star, not the cat. This is how Scratch handles multiple characters. Each sprite has its own separate code. Let's position our power-up. Click the motion category. It's dark blue. Find, go to X, Y, and drag it to your workspace. Don't attach it to anything yet. Just place it alone. Change the numbers to X, 150, Y, 100. This puts the star in the top right corner, away from your main sprite. Now let's code the star's behavior. Click Events, yellow category. Drag when green flag clicked to start a new code stack. Snap that, go to X, 150Y, 100 motion block underneath it. Good. Now every time the game starts, the star appears in the correct position. Here's the power-up magic. When someone clicks the star, their score multiplies by 10. Click Events again and grab another when this sprite clicked block. Place it separately below your first stack. Now, click Operators. That's the green category with math symbols. Look for a rounded green block that says Multiply with 2 empty circles and a multiplication symbol between them. It looks like a pill shape. Drag that out. We'll use it in a moment. Click back to Variables, orange category. Find Set Variable To, change the variable to Score, and attach it under when this sprite clicked. But here's the clever part. Instead of typing a number in that white circle, we're going to put our green multiply operator inside it. Drag the green multiply block and drop it into the white circle of Set Score To. It should fit perfectly inside. Now we need to tell it what to multiply. In the first circle of the green operator, we need the current score. Go back to Variables and find the rounded orange score block. It's not a command, just a bubble with the word score. Drag it into the first circle of your multiply operator. In the second circle, type the number 10. Look at what you've built. When the star is clicked, set score to negative score times 10. This takes your current score and multiplies it by 10 instantly. If you have 5 points, clicking the star gives you 50. If you have 50, you jump to 500. Let's test this power. Click the green flag. Click your cat a few times to build up some points. Maybe get to 10 points. Now click the star. Boom! Your score explodes to 100. That's the power of multiplication in games. Click your cat a few more times, then hit the star again. Watch your score skyrocket. Incredible work! You've learned operators, multiple sprites, and how math makes games exciting. You're now thinking like a real game designer, creating mechanics that reward players. Next lesson, we'll create different levels with variables and conditionals. See you then!